Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Finding settings in Gmail can sometimes feel tricky, but it's actually very straightforward once you know where to look. When you're logged into your Gmail account on your computer, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the top right corner of your screen. There, you will clearly see a small gear icon. This icon is the universal symbol for settings in many applications, and Gmail is no exception. Give that gear icon a click. Clicking the gear icon will immediately open a quick settings panel on the right side of your screen. This panel offers some common adjustments like theme changes, inbox type, and reading pane options. However, if you're looking for the full suite of Gmail configurations, things like filters, labels, accounts and import, or general preferences, you need one more step. At the very top of this quick settings panel, you will see a prominent blue link that says See All Settings. Click on that link. This action will take you directly to the comprehensive Gmail settings page, where you can customize virtually every aspect of your email experience. It's that simple to access all your Gmail controls and personalize your inbox exactly how you like it, whether you're tweaking your out-of-office reply or managing your email signatures.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.